who allegedly shot and killed his parents, his brother, and his brother's girlfriend. He's being arraigned on first-degree murder charges. It started just moments ago. Let's listen in live from the courtroom.
You're calling Gage Wade Pierce, 26L01532. Counsel, your appearance.
Thank you. Good morning, Your Honor. Ashley Harper, P78250. I'm my DC arraignment attorney appearing on behalf of Mr. Pierce, who is present sitting to my right. Your Honor, for purposes of the arraignment, Mr. Pierce will stand mute. Moving forward, Your Honor, Mr. Pierce is requesting court-appointed counsel through Wayne County Court Services. That form was completed and is enclosed in the court's file, along with the felony advice of rights. I did go over Mr. Pierce's rights with him, and I indicated the court would do the same.
Thank you. Your name, sir?
Gage Pierce.
Okay, Mr. Pierce, you're before the court today to be arraigned on felony charges. I'm going to tell you what your felony charges are. I'm going to explain to you what your rights are on the record, and we will make a bond determination as well, okay? It is alleged, sir, by the people of the state of Michigan versus Gage Wade Pierce that on September 9 of 2026 in the city of Livonia on Rensselaer Street, that you did commit count 1, homicide, murder in the first degree, premeditated. That you did deliberately with the intent to kill and with premeditation kill and murder 1 Holly Marie Kimball, contrary to MCL 750.316. That is a felony punishable by up to life in prison without parole. Count 2, homicide, murder in the first degree, premeditated, that you did deliberately with the intent to kill and with premeditation kill and murder 1 Sterling Ray Pierce, contrary to MCL 750.316, a felony punishable by life in prison without parole. Count 3, homicide, murder, first degree, premeditated, that you did deliberately with the intent to kill with premeditation kill and murder 1 Tanner Ray Pierce, contrary to MCL 750.316, a felony punishable by life without parole. Count 4, homicide, murder, first degree, premeditated, that you did deliberately with the intent to kill and with premeditation kill and murder 1 Nevaeh May Jaslyn Finch, contrary to MCL 750.316, a felony punishable by life without parole. Count 5, weapons, felony firearm. You did carry or had in your possession a firearm at the time that you committed or attempted to commit a felony first degree murder, contrary to MCL 750.227b. That is a felony punishable by 2 years to be served consecutively with and preceding any term of imprisonment imposed for the underlying felony, along with mandatory forfeiture of the weapon or device. Count 6, weapon, felony firearm, that you did carry or have in your possession a firearm at the time that you committed or attempted to commit a felony, first degree premeditated murder, contrary to MCL 750.227b. Again, a felony to be served 2 years consecutively with and preceding any term of imprisonment for the underlying felony. Count 7, weapon, felony firearm, that you did carry or have in your possession a firearm at the time that you committed or attempted to commit a felony, first degree premeditated murder, contrary to MCL 750.227b. Again, a felony punishable by 2 years to be served consecutively with and preceding any term imposed for the underlying felony. Count 8, weapon, felony firearm, that you did carry or have in your possession a firearm at the time that you committed or attempted to commit a felony, first degree premeditated murder, contrary to MCL 750.227b. A felony consecutively with and preceding any term of imprisonment imposed for the felony conviction. Sir, you have the right to remain silent. Anything that you say orally or in writing can be used against you in court. You have the right to something called a preliminary examination. At the preliminary examination, the prosecutor has the burden of proving by a probable cause basis that you committed the crimes alleged in the city of Livonia, Michigan. You have the right to the assistance of an attorney during all court proceedings. If you are not represented, the court will appoint an attorney for you. You have requested court-appointed counsel, and I will approve that. You have the right to have a lawyer present during any questioning that you consent to. You have the right to the consideration of pretrial release as well. Do you understand those rights, sir?
I understand them.
Ms. Harper, as to bond, would you like to speak to that?
Yes, Your Honor, thank you. Mr. Pierce is 25 years of age. He is nearly a lifelong Livonia resident, living here for almost 25 years, Your Honor. Importantly, there is no prior criminal history of any kind. There are no holds of any kind for Mr. Pierce. Your Honor, he is a graduate of Clarenceville High School, graduating in 2019 before continuing on to Schoolcraft College, where he completed two years of general studies. Your Honor, I would ask that the court consider those factors when addressing the bond.
Thank you. And for the Livonia Police Department, would you like to speak to bond?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor. Based upon the nature and severity of the offenses, it is recommended that the defendant be held without bond. The allegations involve deliberate, intentional acts resulting in loss of multiple lives, demonstrating extraordinary threat to public safety. Given the gravity of the charges, no ties to community, significant risk of flight, it is believed that no condition or combination of conditions would be reasonably assure the safety of the community or the defendant's appearance at future court proceedings.
Thank you. Your name, please.
Detective Walensky.
Thank you, sir. Anything else, Ms. Harper?
No, Your Honor, not at this time.
Okay. Given the nature of the charges alleged and the seriousness of those charges, the defendant will be remanded in custody. Bond is denied. Sir, you have 2 court dates coming up here. Your court dates are for a probable cause conference that will take place on June 25th at 9 a.m. You will have an attorney with you at that time that is essentially a pretrial touching of base in regards to what's going on in this case going forward. The date of your preliminary examination at this time will be set for July 2nd, 2026 at 11 a.m. I believe there are no further considerations at this time. The hearing is concluded.
Well, let's stand up and speak.
I think it's best at this time that you do not say anything. If you have any concerns, you can bring them to the attention of Ms. Harper.
Your Honor, there's nothing further at this time. Thank you.
Hearing is concluded.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.